Hey guys, Dave here along with Jax, and we are on location. Today is a beautiful day. It's September 13th and we are doing a final walkthrough video. If you recall, the split level home that we added a top floor, we bumped out 2 floors and transformed the inside of about 80% of the house, and we're going to go in there. It's our final walkthrough. Everything's set, everything's final, and the family's going to be moving back in shortly, so we want to get in there. I'm going to show you what this house looks like, so let's take a look. You ready to go in? Take a look? Alright guys, so we're going to walk into the front of the house. I'm going to show you the whole house, top to bottom, and we just wrapped this up a couple days ago, and the family's going to be moving in about 2 days. And you're really going to like this. The layout came out nice. We have an open floor plan on the first floor. The second floor, we added a master bedroom, bathroom suite, along with a laundry and an additional bedroom. So we opened it up, gave them a lot more space. And let's go in and we'll take a look now. All right, take a look at the front of this house. I'm going to show you a before picture, and you can see how much we did to this particular home. We have the black accents with the roof, gutters, leaders, the front railing, and we changed the front door, all the windows. We bumped out the back of the house. We went out about 12 feet, went up 2 floors, added the whole second floor there, and new roof, new siding, new windows and doors. And then this whole first floor used to be a living room, dining room, kitchen. We took out the kitchen, took out the dining room, took out the walls in between, and opened it up, made a open floor plan, put all recessed lighting in there, and then went above it with a bedroom, bedroom and a master bedroom bathroom suite and a laundry. On the left side, we changed the windows, stripped down the flooring, and added all new trim work, painted. So let's go in there, we're gonna take a look. All right guys, so as we get to the front door here, we refaced the steps, new railing, all new windows. We have our advanced siding package with the trim going around all the windows and doors. You can see up close the leaders and gutters. We put the vertical siding at the peaks and changed all the lights. Let's go in there and we'll take a look at the front now as we enter the front door. All right guys, ready? Let's go in. So as you open up the front door, let's turn on all the lights, and we changed all the trim, all the doors, had the floors redone. Now all this is new, all the flooring is new. We pulled out the old flooring, made it nice and uniform, and then it opens up. You've seen some of our prior videos, but look at all the space now they have, open floor plan. There used to be a series of walls and archways over here. Everything's gone, we opened it up. Let's turn on some more lights here. We have a zone of lights right here. And as we enter the kitchen, we have another zone, and then we have some pendant lights over the island. Let's get them turned on. And there we go. So look at this from front to back. We're standing in the back here. We have a Anderson slider door out to the backyard. All this was an addition. So roughly from right where we're looking at with the refrigerator here, from here over, we went up. We pulled the whole second floor off above and made a brand new, nice full 8-foot ceilings. And then when it gets to the master, we have a 10-foot. But in here, we have a full 8-foot ceiling, straight across. And do you notice? No headers. It's a nice flush ceiling all the way across. We're able to run our crown molding all the way through. And this family is going to be able to put their dining room table over here, their living room, and it's nice open floor plan flowing from the living room into the kitchen. They're going to have stools. You can see we have a bar top here. So you have your stools over here, and you'll have a lot of gatherings. You have nice beautiful tops here, stainless steel appliances, and you have your cooktop, undermount sink, dishwasher, refrigerator, wall oven. This is a complete transformation from the old kitchen. The old kitchen used to be literally from this wall right here over to about right here. It was this little square area, maybe 10 by 10, tiny little kitchen that we took out. We took out the walls and open this all up. Now in here we have a pantry that will allow for more storage. And let me turn the light on. We have a couple things being stored in there right now. So you enter the pantry, they have full shelves, and they're gonna have a lot of storage that will pick up a lot of the canned goods and things that they want to store in there for this kitchen. And you can see on top of that we have tons of cabinets and upper cabinets. You can see on the island here all the storage underneath. We handle everything as far as the design, the approval from the homeowners, and then the installation. Everything that you're looking at is all set up through our homeowners' approval, and then they go to our suppliers and we arrange the entire build. So guys, as you can see, we opened up the entire first floor here. We redid the whole first floor plan, all the trim, the painting, the flooring, and then the kitchen was opened up, all new recessed lighting, crown moldings. This is a complete transformation of the first floor. We bumped out 12 feet, we added 2 floors on it, and then we still have the upstairs to take a look at. Right now I'm going to show you the original house of the split. We're going to go up there, I'm going to show you the basic painting, the trim work, and the flooring that we did up there. So let's go up there now and we'll make our way up to the attic level right above us. All right guys, so again, we changed all the doors, and as we walk up here, here's the original steps. We're going up to the original bedrooms. We have a linen closet over here, original bathroom, 2 bedrooms, and what we ended up doing was changing the moldings in these bedrooms, changing the windows. We freshened them up for the family. The lights were changed, and you can see how nice it looks. Really nice little facelift on these rooms. So you had a bedroom here, you had an original bedroom here, and then you had a low ceiling bedroom atop the stairs, and that was what we took off from the floor up. Everything came off, and we added a full bedroom on in the front and a full master bedroom suite in the back. And as we look back over here, again another bedroom, original bedroom that we spruced up. We changed the doors, the trim work, the flooring we had refinished, and you can see how nice. Now everything's uniform as you walk through the house. And this family's really going to enjoy this for years to come. Let's go upstairs. This is the bedroom and the master bedroom suite. All right, guys, so we're going to go upstairs. I'll show you the top floor with the 2 beds, one of them being the master bedroom, bathroom suite, and the laundry. All right, so this is the staircase leading up. We have a sub panel up here, which takes care of all the electric. We have a pull down stairs going into the new attic. This is full 8-foot ceilings in here. It used to be only 7 and change. And then they used to have the low ceilings. We pulled all that out. Now, full 8-foot ceilings throughout. And take a look at that. We have a full closet over here. Great sized bedroom. We're, again, over the living room. Full size egress windows looking outside. Look at the beautiful trim work. Brand new flooring, 3 1/4 oak plank flooring. And as we look down the hallway here, well, first we'll just take a quick peek in the closets. This is part of our closet package, and we have another closet in here. And as we go down the hall, we have our laundry all set up for the washer dryer, the drain pan, washers here, dryers over there. Everything's set up. You can see the utilities, the gas line, the water, the electric, the dryer vent. Everything is all set up. So guys, one of the most important rooms for my customers is the master bedroom bathroom suite. Whenever you see any of our jobs, we always have a master bedroom bathroom suite involved. And again, this is one of the biggest investments the homeowners make. They want to be able to come home at night, retire, have a nice room, a nice bathroom to retire to. So we're going to go in there. I'm going to show you this master bedroom bathroom suite that we just completed. All right, so we're looking down the stairs to the original staircase and hallway. We're upstairs now in our new hallway, and through this door right now is the master bedroom bathroom. And now as we look here, you got the oak plank flooring, and it opens up to look at that nice 10-foot tray ceiling wrapped with the moldings all the way around. Beautiful chandelier, full egress windows, recessed lighting. Our doorway into the master bathroom, set up for low voltage TV, wall mount TV. Through there is our master closet. So let's take a look in there. And as we open the door, it's all set up with a full shelf bank and rods on the left and rods on the right, with a shelf going across the top. We have the HVAC in the walk-in closet, and this place is complete. It's ready, turnkey. Bring your furniture in, put your bed there, you're all set. That's the way we handle our packages here. Bring your clothes, put them on the shelf, you're all set to enjoy your home. And let's go in and we'll take look last at the master bathroom. All right guys, let's go in, take a look. So as we open up the door, we have a double vanity, mirrors, wall lights, HVAC, and recessed. We already have our towel bars already hooked up, and we have another bar over there. And through here is our private toilet, which we are able to fit into this particular project. A lot of room here, and you have a window, vent, HVAC, and it's just a lot of space in this house. And as we turn around here, we have our custom shower. You have your handheld, your wall head, you have your recessed. Look at the beautiful tile work with our shelves, and you also have your custom floor. Look at the floor tile. Everything has been set up for this particular home, and they are ready to move in. So guys, that completes this particular walkthrough video. We finalized this project. The homeowners will be moving in just a couple of days. And if you have any questions about your home remodeling project, give us a call. Ask for me. I'm Dave Pangione. You can reach us at 201-774-3733. Again, 201-774-3733. If you want to email us, you can email us at info@pangionedevelopers.info. Again, info@pangionedevelopers.info. Our number one more time is 201-774-3733. Give us a call, ask for me, and thanks for watching. I'm Dave Pangione. Hey guys, if you're interested in information on how to hire a contractor, I put together a list. Click on the link down below. You'll get that information for free. Again, click on the link down below and you'll get that information on how to hire a contractor. You'll get it for free. Thanks. Hey guys, Dave here, and I'd really appreciate if you took the time just to click on the like button for this video. You can also subscribe to the channel, but if you click on that like button, it really helps us out. Again, just a little button on the down below says like, click on it, and I really appreciate it. Thanks.